Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook soya chunks. First, let's talk about soaking. It's a crucial step to rehydrate these versatile protein sources. Place your dry soya chunks in a bowl and cover them with plenty of hot water. Let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice they expand considerably, becoming soft and ready for the next stage of preparation. This ensures they absorb flavors beautifully later on. Once your soya chunks are nicely rehydrated, the next important step is to squeeze out all the excess water. Gently take handfuls of the soaked chunks and firmly press them between your palms. This removes any extra liquid, preventing them from becoming watery in your dish. You'll find they become quite firm and spongy, which is the perfect texture for absorbing all those delicious spices and flavors you'll add. Now that your soya chunks are prepared, it's time to cook. They are incredibly versatile. You can add them to your favorite curries, stir-fries, or even make delicious dry preparations. Because of their porous nature, they act like sponges, soaking up all the wonderful flavors of your spices and sauces. Try them in a rich gravy, mixed into a flavorful rice dish, or as a hearty addition to your vegetable medley for a protein boost. For the most delicious soya chunks, here are a few final tips. Always marinate your squeezed chunks for at least 30 minutes or even longer to really let those flavors penetrate. Be careful not to overcook them. They should be tender but still have a slight bite. Soya chunks are a fantastic, high-protein plant-based option, perfect for replacing meat in many of your favorite dishes. Enjoy experimenting with this healthy ingredient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.